Hey guys, what is up? I'm back with some more videos, and in today's video I want to say that my Discord account got hacked, and yeah. Hey, don't leave. I'm gonna show you how to make a highway in your game. This is for something I do not know. It's gonna be in the title of the video what for this is. But we're gonna go to create it. And I cannot find my friends. I forgot his tag ID. No name, white tears. So I made a new account. So I got DM from my main account. A guy hacked me. Wait, let me show you. This freaking guy. I do not know why I did this. I bet this well. And yeah, I'm gonna block this dude. Oh, oops. Alright, so let's get into work. So how to make your games a highway but no free model or copy model, alright? You're gonna be pressing this thing. Oh, fuck. You're gonna be pressing that. Let's go into. No, actually, what color is involved? Okay, this color. What the hell? When did this thing spawn? Oh yeah, I probably clicked that. Then you're gonna go to toolbox, do a car, and in next video I'm gonna show you how to make a car. No free model. Load faster. I'm just gonna spawn in some vehicles if I load. Alright, so we're gonna get one vehicle over here. Size it up. Let's get. Fuck me up. Let me, okay. Okay, you got this part. If you want to make a big map, you can just copy and paste your building thing like this. Everything's in your road. I'm not gonna do it because I'm not making an actual game right now. Fuck me up. Oh wow. Never mind. Let's click port again. It's gonna come yellow. Oh my god, I'm clicking too many things. We don't need that. If you have some bugs like, if you have some bug legs there, you can just make your road thing a little bigger. Just saying. If you have a bug. Right now I'm just fixing the vehicle places. Now you're gonna change the color to gray. I believe that's not gray. I'm blind. Now you're gonna spawn in this. Oop. No, you're gonna spawn in port actually. Then you're gonna just copy this. Then you're gonna paste this again. It's gonna come up. And yeah, this is how you make a highway, I guess. And what happens when your Roblox Studio doesn't work as you want? Dude, leave the game! This is not for roleplay, bro. Frick. Get it out. Okay, let's try out this car. Ooh, that worked Kinda. Let's hold H. No. You wanna fight? Not the best game. I just tried to use B tools and this happened and they lost their leg. Oh, that's a YouTuber. I don't know what to do. This is probably the worst game I've made. Out of state of roleplay. Wait. Come on, load. Nah, I'm gonna just end of today's video right over here. Yeah, bye guys.